welcome to my channel, and today we will be learning how to make this easy mutton curry. So let's get started. I'm taking about 4 tablespoons of oil. Heat it up, add 2 medium-sized onions and fry till dark brown. Add about 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it well till the raw smell goes away. Then I'll add 250 grams of mutton. Fry till the color changes. Then I will add salt according to taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of zeera powder. Mix it well. Cook it for another 5 to 10 minutes and add tomato puree of 1 tomato. Just blend it in the mixie and cook it well. When the oil separates, I will add about 1 cup of yogurt, about 250 grams. Cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Then I will add 2 cups of water. Let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes, and then I will pressure cook it for 7 to 8 whistles or until the meat is tender. Let the pressure release on its own and let it cook on low flame for 6 to 7 minutes. Then I will add green chilies 2 to 3 and 2 to 3 tablespoons of coriander and let it cook for more 2 to 3 minutes. You can see the oil separating. So this is the final look. I hope you liked my video. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.